Hey, I'm Colin from Chaparral Motorsports. Are you a fan of KTM or Marvin Musquin? Take a look at this toy from New Ray Toys. This here is the factory replica of Marvin's bike, his 450 SXF. This is a 1/10 die-cast model of the bike that he races out there on the Supercross track. Now let's take a look at just exactly what comes in this box if you were to purchase this New Ray toy. Pulling Marvin's bike out of the box, we're going to notice that we have the bike and its stand ready to roll. Now this is the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing Team Edition. Marvin was born December 30th, 1989 in Le Relais, France. His height is 5 foot 8 inches, weight 143 pounds. His mechanic is Frank Latham. He rides this KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. He races in the AMA Supercross and the AMA 450 Motocross Series. His number is 25. He turned pro in 2008. In addition to riding this motocross bike, he also enjoys jet skiing and cycling. You can learn more about Marvin by visiting marvin-musquin.com, or you can visit him at Twitter or Instagram at marvinmusquin25. Some of his accomplishments have been the 2016 AMA Supercross Rookie of the Year, the 2015 AMA East Supercross Lights Champion, 2012 member of Team of France MX des Nations, 2010 MX2 World Motocross Grand Prix Champion. Now that we've talked about some of Marvin's fantastic race results, let's take a look at his bike here. We have active suspension in the rear. Front forks look like they could use a little bit of service because they're not moving too much. Steering head bearing might be a little bit tight, but I think will break in after a couple laps around the track. Looking under the bike, we have a nice stand here with all of the details of his stand that he currently uses at the racetrack. So in between motos, his bike gets pulled in and tossed up onto the stand. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at how that works. Throw it in, turn it sideways, boom, there you go. You can see he's rocking the Akrapovic exhaust, Renthal chain and sprockets. Obviously Motorex is the oil that he's using inside this bike. This is a complete race-ready replica of Marvin's motorcycle. Now New Ray Toys has done a phenomenal job at completely detailing to the nth degree all of the key aspects of Marvin's bike. As you can see here, die-cast model, working rear suspension, this thing is legit. Now New Ray Toys, if you're watching this, what I would like to see on a future edition is the actual tires imprinted with the tires that he is racing on, so we can see just exactly the detail that we have there. And there you have it. That's just a quick little detailed breakdown of Marvin's Supercross machine, the KTM 450 SXF. If you like what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Please note that New Ray Toys has a complete line of power sports products, and we stock them here at Chaparral Motorsports. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.